Hi everyone and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So today I am here with a video called How to Deal with Angry Cashiers When Couponing. Yeah, seriously. Here's a picture. It's actually a really old picture of me from like 2012. But I thought this was really fitting for this video. Like, this is the facial expression some of us get when dealing with these cashiers. So I'm really excited in this video because I have had my fair share of times where the cashier was just wrong and rude. And I have a whole entire video about coupon drama stories. If you want to click the little eye in the top right corner, you can go see that. But I do have that video. And yes, we're just going to talk in this video about what do you do when you get in a run-in with an angry cashier when you're couponing. It could also be a CSM. So the thing that really got my attention sparked on this video was basically yesterday I went to Walmart and did an entire video about this, but I went and tried to get this Johnson's 4-ounce baby powder that was $1.92 and a $2 off coupon. Well, accidents happened and I totally forgot to use the paper coupon. It was stuck and I don't know where it was. I could have swore I pulled it out, but it wasn't out. So I realized that I knew I paid too much, so I decided to go back in and do a post coupon, which is where you show the receipt, you show the product, and tell the cashier, hey, I forgot to use this coupon. And it would have scanned because I've done this deal 3 or 4 different, oh my gosh, probably more than that. I've done this constantly. About every time I go to Walmart, I've done the Johnson's baby powder that's $1.92, had a $2 off coupon. I went to the service desk and it was a CSM, and I told her, hey, I forgot to use this coupon. I've done it before. I know this is the right product. Is there anything we can do about it? If not, just return it. So she takes my coupon and takes my product and sits there and reads it. She says, excludes trial travel size. I said, it doesn't say anywhere on there that it's trial size. And she literally sat and read the coupon even more. She looked at my receipt and she said, the manufacturer says it says trial size. Okay, Walmart lady. Here's what I wanted to tell you. Okay, look right here. The one on the left, that's $1.47. That's trial size. This one's clearly not trial size. It's 4 ounces. That's definitely not a trial size. It's a pretty big thing, so that's definitely not trial size. But yeah, that was her words. The manufacturer says this is trial size. I'm pretty sure that's what they mean is what she said. She was clearly wrong, but I'm going to explain to you. There's multiple things you could do in a situation like this. First up, I want to emphasize, don't do any of the things on this list. Do not start screaming and making a scene. That's the worst thing to do. I don't care what they're doing. Do not start screaming. Try not to start crying. Don't do that. I know a lot of people do cry at the register. Try not to do that because that's just going to give them more ammunition to think you're crazy and to be mean to you. Do not mock the cashier. Don't do that. Honestly, do not try to continue the argument for a long time, trying to make them give in. I explained my point of view to the CSM twice, and she clearly wasn't going to have it. So instead of me sitting there and telling her, I did tell her once it doesn't say trial size. I told her 2 times. I've done it before. She didn't care. She had made up in her mind she wasn't going to give it to me. So, yeah, that's that. Finally, remember, don't show the same disrespect to them that they're showing to you. Don't stoop down on their level. If they want to be mean to you, don't join in there and be mean to them. Two wrongs don't make a right. So don't stoop down to their level. Will be my only thing to tell you. So here's the first thing to consider when you get in an argument. Do I truly need this product? Like, is this going to be the 12th baby powder in your stockpile? Okay, so at that point, do you truly need that 12th baby powder? If you don't need it, most likely isn't worth your time or your energy to sit in Walmart and argue with the CSM for 20 minutes and get them and do the things I'm about to tell you. So the easiest thing may be to return the item or void it off if the cashier doesn't want to do it. Plain and simple. However, let's say you really do want or need these items. I'm going to give you some things that you can do. But this definitely is the easiest one that makes them feel like they're right. It is a win for the cashiers on that part. But let's say if you really do need it or want it. First thing I'd tell you to do, ask for a higher up manager. They may be able to fix this for you. I've had times where the cashiers pull the 1 per purchase, and I've asked for like a floor supervisor at Kroger or a manager, and they usually have fixed it for me. She told this cashier, no, that's not what that means. They can use 5 like coupons. So ask for a manager would be my first thing. Let's say the manager sucks and doesn't understand coupons either. Leave and try a different location, or maybe come back when it's a different shift. I know that's very annoying, but if you want to keep the peace, that might be a good thing to do. And finally, this one's a little bit more, it kind of falls in making a scene, but not so much, as long as you do it in a polite way. What I'd say to do, go ahead and call corporate in the store. Step away, maybe go out to your car, but call corporate, tell them what's going on, tell them, hey, I'm sitting in the, I don't know, Walmart parking lot, they won't do this, blah, 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 your policy says this, blah, 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 and hopefully they'll call in that store at the service desk and tell them it's okay. Definitely is a good solution if you really do need the product. And if these things don't work, maybe consider not shopping at that store anymore. Maybe they don't do good training on coupons, so it's just going to hassle it wherever you're at. Maybe you should make the decision, I'm not going to go there anymore. So that's a sucky option. But if none of these things work and you don't feel like fighting with them every week, it's probably the best solution for you. And the most important thing, overwhelm them with kindness and positivity. Show those cashiers, show the managers even, show that CSM who you can't stand for lying to you at Walmart over some stupid baby powder. Show them kindness and positivity. It's the best thing to do. Because they're going to get the perception, if you go in there and make a scene, every time you walk in, they're going to not trust you because they're going to think you're crazy. So maybe the one time you have a mistake with the cashier and then you have a run-in, go back in next time and try again. And maybe because you held it all together, they're going to trust you. Because if you make a scene, they're going to think you're crazy and they're probably going to think you're scamming them, and that's why you're so mad, because you didn't get away with it. So if you go in there with class and you walk out with dignity, even though you didn't get what you want, it'll go a long way. I always believe kindness goes a long way. So I did at Walmart. She straight up said, I'm not going to take it. I said, okay, will you please return it then? Please, and thank you, and have a nice day. Even though it messed up your day and your plans, it's just the best thing to do. So yeah, that is it for today. I kind of hope you enjoyed this video. I know this was kind of weird, but I'm needing more requests for topics for Coupon Chat Tuesdays. So please give me some ideas, because I want to do this every single week. I know a lot of you already commented ideas. I gotta be real, I lost that list, so I want to write down a new list. I'm really, really excited for that. So please leave your ideas for Coupon Chats, and I'll be sure to get around to doing them soon. So yeah, that's all I have for this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.